Digital innovation is redefining governance, making it more transparent, efficient, and citizen-centric than ever before. The Government Tech Awards 2026 proudly recognize the pioneers, transforming public service through technology and innovation. An evening dedicated to celebrating visionary ministries, government departments, PSUs, and local bodies that are building the foundations of a digitally empowered Viksit Bharat. Through path-breaking solutions in digital governance, public service delivery, and technology-led transformation, the awards spotlight the leaders driving India's next era of smart governance. With 26 plus categories, winners were selected through a rigorous two-tier evaluation by an expert jury assessing strategy, execution, and social impact.
During these 3 decades of journey, I have seen a lot of transformation in government, right from those early PC days to portals to platforms and now digital public infrastructure, as well as now the AI and data.
It was an absolute pleasure to look at the entries received and to know the kind of work that is being done in our country in innovation, in digital technology, in the use of AI and ML.
Well, we had a very good meet of the juries. There were a large number of nominations in 26 categories. All the categories are very relevant to the society, and I'm sure the awards will go a long way in encouraging the people who have been working.
The decisions we take by consensus, so that everybody's work, whatever wisdom is there, that all is taken care of. And I think the people who get awarded, they must be feeling motivated to do further better. And those who are left out, I'm sure they will do next time much better.
Happy to be associated as jury in the GovTech Award by ET Government.
It has been a pleasure to interact with other members of the jury, and I would say that overall the groundwork done for the Governance Awards was commendable, and it was a pleasure to be here.
GovTech Award itself is a good initiative that encourages people across the spectrum to aim and aspire for better and look at the way the Viksit Bharat has been envisioned for the Government of India and for the country as a whole.
For enabling a robust and credible evaluation framework for this prestigious platform. Congratulations to all the winners who are redefining governance for a truly Viksit Bharat.